improve the mudslide. How did you freaking witchcraft? It's hot inside, but it's cool in here, so stay the hell in and drink a mudslide. Get yourself a blender cup full of ice, a blender, and some honey freaking vodka from Vintage Distilling. This stuff is fan-freaking-tastic, you guys. CWSpirits.com, promo code Amora, save yourself some money. Get this delivered right to your door in discreet packaging. 2 ounces of honey vodka from Vintage Distilling. The perfect pour. 2 ounces of Irish cream. Costco Irish cream for the boozer on a budget. Next ingredient, coffee liqueur, 2 ounces. Last but certainly not least, one of the best ingredients in the world, heavy cream. If something in this world doesn't taste good, you know what you do? You add heavy cream and then it'll taste good. Cap her up and give it a spin. Oh, look at that, boys and girls. All right, guys, so let's say I make a mudslide using Vintage Distilling Honey Vodka. Let's give it the old college try. But before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. Now, gentlemen, when you make mudslides, you'll have to make 2. One for you, one for your special lady. This is Amora.
Thank you. You know what's good for your life?
I'm a survivor. Wow. Holy shit.
This is awesome.
Wow. I could drink a ton of them.